Today we're going to talk about common misconceptions while writing transformation rules using arrow notation. A common misconception when given these two images on the graph is that often we use this as our original image instead of this. Let's look at this a little closer. Notice how on the image to the left we have these little apostrophes. Those apostrophes we indicate as prime. So this original image gets transformed into this image right here. So we read this as A prime, B prime, C prime. When we are writing the notation for these rules, we always want to go from our original image or our pre-image to our new image. If we look over here, we can see that -6, 3 is this point here, and it's getting transformed +7, so we would go over 7 and then up 3. Notice that that doesn't have our prime. This right here has our prime. So we just wrote the rule from going from A prime to A. Well, we want to go from A to A prime. Thus, our rule needs to be x minus 7, x minus 3. We need to start at the pre-image A without the prime and go to our A with the prime. So we need to go to the left 7 and then down 3 and do that for each of these points. Take a minute and pause the video to try this problem on your own. Write the points for the pre-image and then to the image, and then also write the rule. If we look here, we see that this image on the right is our pre-image, and it's getting reflected over our y-axis to this image on the left. We know that this is our new image because we have those primes.